truth did arise. He glanced at his shadow, and to his surprise, it stretched so tall, so broad, so wide. He thought, I'm the king of all outside. With pride in his heart, his head held high. I'm the mightiest creature, he let out a cry, forgetting his frame so small and slight. Blinded by shadows in fading light, but shadows grow long when the sun's hanging low. And pride can deceive us in the twilight's glow. The wolf thought he'd conquer, the lion he'd face, but illusions will crumble in reality's place. He roared in his mind, no beast can compare. My strength is unmatched, no lion I'll spare. With his shadow so grand, he set out to fight, forgetting the truth that lies in plain sight. But soon came the lion, with strength that was real. The wolf's pride vanished, his fate sealed. For in the face of true power and might, my shadow can't help you in the heat of the fight. 'Cause shadows grow long when the sun's hanging low, and pride can deceive us in the twilight's glow. The wolf thought he'd conquer, the lion he'd face, but illusions will crumble in reality's place. What you see, true strength comes from humility. In the light of day, truth's always shown, and shadows will fade when you're standing alone. Well, shadows grow long when the sun's hanging low, and pride can deceive us in the twilight's glow. The wolf thought he'd conquer, the lion he'd face, but illusions will crumble in reality's place. Don't be fooled by what you see, true strength comes from humility. In the light of day, truth's always shown, and shadows will fade when you're standing alone. Don't be fooled by illusions or live life in vain. Don't be fooled by illusions or live life in vain. So remember the wolf and his shadows sway. Real strength in the heart, not in what you display. For shadows may stretch, but the truth will remain. Don't be fooled by illusions or live life in vain.